Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, when it comes to security of any system, the total strength of the system is the strength of the weakest portion, because the weakest portion is the area where attackers or outsiders get into. So when it comes to your home security, a lot of you have questions about patio doors, because first of all, mostly these are of glass and it's very easy to break. So there are solutions like you can have like glass films that are gonna protect. Okay, but still you may say that okay, what if somebody can pull it, right? Like it's not too difficult to pull it down, pull it from the other side. If multiple people try, still it's easy to be broken. So what is the solution? So the solution is this. With this patio door blockers, you can definitely do, and it's very easy. Like look, I'm rotating right now in the way, in the direction to open, and if I rotate it other side, it will be blocked. So how it works is like you put it in both the ends at the patio door, one side here and one side here. Okay, and at night time, or especially when you're out of your home, if you put these on, it will be like safer. You'll feel safer because your home is like your door, patio door is actually protected. You see now. Okay, I have put in, and some of these are like you'll get various qualities, price range. So buy something really good. Okay, now what happened now, I haven't tightened it. Okay. You don't have to do it here, you can do it at down. That's the best place to do. Now with this, what happens, even somebody manages to break, like outside I have this like a net. That net, if somebody is able to break and they try to pull it using that handle, still this will block. Okay, and it will provide great strength, and it will deter anyone from breaking in. So these are the devices you should have for your home. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.